everyone, welcome to our non-word drumming session. Today, I am going to teach you class 8 of the Advanced Universal Drum. The first line is 1、4、7、7、走、走、左右。1、4、7、右、走、走、左右。1、4、7、7、走、走、左右。1、4、7、右、走、走、左右。走。1、2、3、4。Now, let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? Five, six, seven, This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also to check out our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Non-Performing Arts Group. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.